Okay, our today topic is adjustment. Adjustment. These all adjustment we are utilizing in time of making of income and expenditure account. First, outstanding, and second, prepaid. Outstanding means if we are not paying any expense to outsider or any others, that is the outstanding. And prepaid if we are paying advance of that expense, that is prepaid. How to present this outstanding and prepaid? Just see. First we are written expense paid during the year. Then add outstanding expense at the end of the year. After this, add prepaid expense at the beginning of the year. Then less outstanding expense at the beginning of the year. After this, less prepaid expense at the end of the year. After that, calculate these all. After calculating, net amount will come, and this net amount will be transferred to the debit side of income and expenditure account. After this, we are going for the calculation of the cost of consumable goods. For the calculation of cost of consumable goods, we are using this formula. First we are written purchase of consumable goods. Write that amount. Then add opening stock. Then less closing stock. After that, add creditor for stationery closing. Then less creditor for stationery opening. After the calculating these all, that balancing amount will come. That amount we are showing in income and expenditure account. On this way we are calculating the consumable goods that will show in income and expenditure account. Now we are going for the knowing how to present this outstanding, prepaid, adjustment and consumable goods in income and expenditure account. Now see income and expenditure account. In this income and expenditure account, first we are put the expense as like a two salary 8,000. Then add outstanding current year 600, then 8,600, then less outstanding previous year 300, 8,300, then add prepaid previous year 500, 8,800, less prepaid current year 400, and then total amount will come 8,400. So in amount column, then go for the subscription. If subscription is given, then we are presenting that subscription income side by subscription 90,000, less subscription outstanding previous year 2,000, 88,000, add subscription outstanding current year 4,000, then total amount is 92,000. This is the way by which we are going to present outstanding expense and prepaid expense in income and expenditure account. Now we are going to see how to present the consumable goods in income and expenditure account. Okay, now see, for the understand how to present the consumable goods in income and expenditure account, we are taking one question. In this question, amount paid for stationery during the year 16-17 25,500. Stock of stationery April 16 4,500, March 17 3,500. Creditors for stationery 8,300, opening 5,900, closing. Now see how to present consumable goods in income and expenditure account. First we are written to stationery consume payment made for stationery 25,500, then less creditors in the beginning 8,300, then next amount is 17,200, then add creditor in the end 5,900, then the next amount 23,100, then add stock in beginning 4,500, the next amount 27,600, less stock at the end 3,500, then total amount will come 24,100, so in amount column. By this way we are presenting consumable goods in income and expenditure account. For the consumable goods, one trick is there. Opening stock will add, closing stock less, but at the time of creditors just opposite, opening less and closing will add. This trick we are using for the calculating of consumable goods. This is the way by which we are presenting outstanding and prepaid adjustment and consumable goods in income and expenditure account. Okay, thank you.